Online students, yes, my voice is clear. Yeah. Okay. What we learned last class? We learned about functions. What do you mean by functions, or why functions is required? To perform some operation with the data. That is the reason why functions is required. What are the different types of functions? String functions, single row functions and multiple row functions. What do you mean by single row functions? For one output, for one row you will get one output. Multi-row functions, you will be selecting the entire row, and for that entire row you will be getting one single output. Yes. What were the other different types of single row functions? Good morning. String functions, date and time function, control function, then number function. What are the different types of string function? In that we learned uppercase, lowercase, length, and reverse. Okay. Today we will learn something called as concat function. Today we will learn something called as concat function. Why? What do you mean by concat? Addition. No? Who will say addition? Merging or combining of any two columns, that is called as concatenation. Yes or no? Yes or no? Online students. Okay, take down the question. Create a SQL query. To concatenate. Create a SQL query to concatenate the hospital name, and hospital location. Write or create a SQL query to concatenate the hospital name and hospital location columns, hospital name, hospital location columns for all hospitals of hospital table, for all hospitals of hospital table, and display the result as hospital info. Yeah. Now tell me, how will you write the query? What is the first line they're saying? Create a SQL query to concatenate hospital name and hospital location. So which and all columns you're supposed to merge here? Hospital name and hospital location. Yes or no? How will you write the query for this? So you will be writing select. Now you are supposed to combine. So for combining, you will be using the function called as concatenate. Yes or no? So you will just write concat. Okay. You will write concat. And what are the two columns you're supposed to concat? Hospital name and hospital name, comma, you will write hospital location. Yes or no? From which table? From the table called as hospital. Correct? Huh? And what are they saying after that? And display the result as hospital. Okay, let me type the query here. 1 second. Open your laptops, everyone, first of all. you all solving the questions, sir? Which questions? Which questions? Hacker and caller solving, How many questions you have solved till now? Yeah, the question I have typed in the chat box, please see it. Yes, what is the last condition they are saying? You have to display the result as hospital info. So you're using column alias or table alias? Column alias. So how will you write for this? How will you write for this? As hospital info. And now you have to select it from the table. From the table. Clear? Clear? Yes. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Concatenate today. Your Java trainer is not coming. He's not feeling well. Who? Shameless. Guys, today you people don't have Java class because your trainer is not well. Your Java trainer is not well. Okay? But please stay back in the class. Ashok sir will come. He has something to talk to you all. Concatenate the hospital code. Concatenate hospital code and hospital name. Concatenate hospital code and hospital name columns. Hospital name columns. Separating them with hyphen. Separating them with hyphen for a specific hospital code. For a specific hospital code 101. For a specific hospital code 101. So now what they are saying, what and all you have to concatenate? You have to concatenate both hospital name and hospital code. But you have to have a hyphen between them. Yes. So then how will you write the code for this? How will you write the code for this? How will you write the code for this? Okay. Wait a second. First of all, they are saying concatenate the hospital code and hospital name. So I have to write select concat what? Hospital code. Now what they are saying, you have to separate it with a hyphen. Yes or no? Hyphen. Then how will you write the code now? Comma. Just hyphen, or I have to put it inside single quotes? Single quotes. Why inside single quotes? Why inside single quotes? It is a character. Yes or no? Any character or a string, whichever you mention, you are supposed to put it inside a single quotes. Yes or no? What is the next column? What is the next column? Hospital name. That's all. That's all. From or are they saying that they're also saying that for a specific hospital code? So now I will write from the table hospital, yes or no. Now they are giving a condition here saying where hospital code is equals to 101. Should I put this 101 inside a single quotes? Why? It is a number. Yes or no? Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Concatenate hospital name with Bengaluru. Concatenate hospital name with Bengaluru from the table hospital. From the table hospital. So now what are they saying? You are supposed to have the hospital name also, and then that hospital name at the end or wherever, it also has to have one word called as Bengaluru. Yes or no? Yes or no? How will you write for that now? How will you write? The third one. Okay, what is the question? Concatenate hospital name with Bengaluru. Now Bengaluru, is that present in your table? No? No. Okay, if it is given as New Delhi, if it Bengaluru, because you people have given, okay. Suppose it is given as New Delhi, it is not there in your table. So then can I consider that one as a raw data? Yes or no? So now how will I write the query? Select concat hospital name, okay, comma. Should I put it inside single quotes? It's a string. So instead of Bengaluru, let me take it as New Delhi. Yeah. Are they telling from which table you have to do it? Yes or no? You have to do it from the table hospital. Clear? Clear with this? Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query to concatenate. Write a query to concatenate 1111. Write a query to concatenate inside single quotes 1111 1111 with inside single quotes 2222. Inside single quotes 2222. How will you write now? See, these two are raw data now. This is not present inside your table. So now how will you write the code for that? Select concat. Now, should you mention this inside the single quotes or shouldn't you mention? You should mention, because inside the question only they have already mentioned it with single quotes. Yes. So now what you will do? How will you write the question? Sorry, how will you write the answer for this? Yes. How will you write? So you will just write select concat what and what? 1111 1111 comma 2222. Have they said from which table you are supposed to do? No. Clear with this? Yes. Dushyant, clear with this? Vivek, take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query to concatenate. Write a query to concatenate number 5555 with string which string will you take? Which string? Victoria. Take. With string Victoria. Hey, string andre mention it inside single quotes. Don't write string Victoria. Okay. There are some Bruhaspatis, they will write string Victoria. How will you write for this? Yeah. String Victoria andre. I said that word Victoria is there. No, put it inside a string. Suhas, ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ವಟ 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 ಅಂತ. ಅದೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹುಟ್ಟುಗುಣ ಸುಟ್ರು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೆ. Okay, take down the next question. Take down the next question. Answer ನೀವು ಬರೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಾನೆ. Take down the next question. Write a query. Write a query to concatenate. Write a query to concatenate. Concatenate. Inside the single quotes, write Vivek. Inside the single quotes, write the name Vivek. Write the name Vivek with null. With null. Take down the next question. Take down the next question. Write a query. Write a query to concatenate. Suhas. Write a query to concatenate number. Write a query to concatenate number 1010 1010 with 1111. 1010 with 1111. You still have questions? Done with those questions? Online students, done with this question? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Take down a few more questions. Take down a few more questions. Write a query. Write a query. Take down the next query. Write a query. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಕ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾರ್ದೆ. Write a query to display all the passenger name. Write a query to display all the passenger name. तू कहा था अब्दुल? तू भी पूजा कर रहा था? नहीं, तू घंटी बजा रहा था. घंटे. Write a query to display all the passenger names in uppercase and their respective ticket number in lowercase and their respective ticket number in lowercase from passenger details table. From passenger details table. How will you write the ticket number in lowercase? Just give some alphabet and one number. Alphabet and number. Now, what data type will you give for this? Varchar? Yes. String ante yavano. Take down the next query. Take down the next query. Write a query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display all the passengers' name. Write a query to display all the passengers' name in uppercase and their respective ticket number in lowercase and their respective ticket numbers in lowercase from passenger details table. Write a query to display all the passengers' name in uppercase and their respective ticket numbers in lowercase from the passenger details table where ticket number is capital T 1 2 3 4 5. Capital T 1 2 3 4 5. see those two queries, whichever queries I'm giving now, no, what and all, just take down what the table should consist of. The table should have passenger details, sorry, passenger name, passenger name, passenger email, passenger name, passenger email, ticket number, booking date, ticket number, booking date, and booking status. And booking status. Suhas, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವಾಗ? Take down the next query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display passengers' names, and the length of the passenger's name, and the length of the passenger's name for all the passengers, from passenger details table. Passenger details table. Length function is already done to you all. Yes or no? Take down the next question. Write a query to display. Write a query to display the length of ticket number, the length of ticket number for all the passengers. For all the passengers. Done. Next query. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ, ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಗೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಲುಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Write a query to display. ಯಾವನೋ ಅವನು? Write a query to display all the passengers' name in uppercase. Write a query to display all the passengers' name in uppercase with their respective length of ticket number. With their respective length of ticket number for all the passengers. For all the passengers from passenger details table. From passenger details table. Clear? Clear? Yes. I'll ask you a few questions. You answer to me. Okay. I'll ask you a few questions. Give that answer to me. Okay. One by one. Today, which color? Opposite of black. What is the purpose? Listen to this carefully. Online students, even you people also. What is the purpose of MySQL concat function? What is the purpose of MySQL concat function? The first option is to extract substrings from a text field. To extract substrings from a text field. To count the number of characters in the string. To count the number of characters in a string. To perform arithmetic operations on numeric values. To perform arithmetic operation on numeric values. Last option, to concatenate multiple strings together. I have not yet selected. Right, next question. Fourth option. Yes, yes. Next question. Next question. Shut up. I will write few queries on the board, okay? You tell me which one is wrong in that, okay? And who will tell? Vivek will tell the answer to this. Vivek, hey, Suhas, ishtadru irbeku. I will write few options, just see it. Yavano, at Suhas voice alla. Abdulle gottu. My dear students, please see here. ನನ್ನಲ್ವೋ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನ ನೋಡು ಅಂದಿದ್ದು. I will throw you people outside. Throw na. Yeah. In these three options, can you tell me which one is wrong? Second and third. Huh? Which one is wrong? Third one kaise wrong? Second and third one are both are same. Sitting in first bench, people cannot see the board. Sitting in the first, close to the board, they cannot see it out. Second and third one are same option, huh? Huh? Why? You have plus here, you have comma here. Eradu ondena? Lalima. Yeah. Which one is wrong here? No, I'll mention semicolon. Now tell me which one is wrong. Fourth one. Fourth one option e kottilla nanu. All are correct. Pakka. You can write any concat function like this. Column 1 plus some string plus column 2. Can you write like this? This one you just now wrote. Column 1 hyphen column 2. Just now you wrote. That is right. Either you can write like this also, column 1 and column 2. Yes or no? Like this, can I write anywhere? In functions, will you be using any kind of operators? Any kind of symbol will you be using? There you have an addition operator there. Yes or no? So is it right or wrong? Which is correct now? First one and third one. Yes. Okay. Okay. Take down, sorry, the next question is, what is the purpose of MySQL replace function? What is the purpose of MySQL replace function? Guys, listen to this question. Same thing in this mock I will give. If you don't, people don't perform, no? I don't know what to say. Words are not coming. The first option is to update existing records in a table, to insert new rows into a table. Third one, to delete rows from a table. And the last one is to search and replace a substring within a string. Why replace function is used? Have I done replace function? No. Shut up. Replace function I have not yet done. For now, write all those queries, solve those queries. Okay. Then we will see. Yeah, yes, Sanjay, not yet done. Please solve the queries first. Everyone open your laptops. तेरा हो गया installation. Laptop लाया तू? सब delete किया है? सब delete किया है? Okay, everyone start writing the query inside your books also and in your laptops also. In your books and in your laptops. That day you did no debate competition. Was it really a debate? Hey, hey, Ravi, shut up. Very. Attitude only not cleared by Markle. Dance ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ವಾ Where were you all these days? Cheera. I'm telling for you only, okay? You say 5 years from the time where we get come back, come back, come back. Everyone listen here. Do what you do. Where's your laptop? Which is two. Hey, Ray, Abdul, baro ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Abdul, come here. You get. You have deleted everywhere. After I die, I have deleted. Now only you are calculating when will ma'am die ಅಂತ. ಯಾರೋದು? ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ? ಸೋಮವಾರ ತಾನೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲ್ಸ ಮಾಡು, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಡ. ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೈಯಲ್ವೇನೋ? ಹೋಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓದು, ಪೂಜೆ ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. पीछे ही बैठा है तू। चैट जीपीटी ना तू कल से तू आगे बैठ। ए you wrote the query, huh? बुक लेकर आ इधर, आजा, नहीं आजा तू, नहीं आ इधर ವಿವೇಕ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ತರಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು. Girls, friends, solving the query. Girls, there is no girl in this class, sir. Okay, girls are dead. Okay, I'll assume that one. Except me. ಚಂದು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? P, finish writing the query. ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಯಾಕೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು? ಏನ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕ सिर्फ तू आके मेरे बगल में बैठ, नहीं तू आ जाए, तू आ इधर. नो, I'll clear this road. तू आ जाएगा. ಚಂದು ಇದು ಇಟ್ಕೋ, ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಇದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, done with it? Done? Yes. Okay, take down the next function as replace function. Replace. Yeah, take down the next heading. Take down the next heading. Replace. Replace. Take down the first query. Take down the first query. How can you use, take down the first query. How can you use the replace function? How can you use the replace function to replace hospital with medical center? Hospital with medical center. In the hospital name, for all hospitals, for all. How can you use the replace function to replace hospital with medical center in the hospital name for all hospitals? Now, which function you will use? Obviously, ma'am, if you're telling about replace function, you will use replace only. But how will you write the query for this one? What are they telling you to select? You are supposed to select hospital name, and wherever the word hospital is there, you have to replace it with medical center. Yes or no? So now how will you write the query for this one? So the first one you will be writing it as select. Which function I have to use? I have to use the function replace. So in this replace function, first you have to say from where I have to take it. From where I have to take it now? Hospital name. Yes or no? So I will write hospital name. Then the next one, what you have to replace? What you have to replace? You have to replace the word hospital. You have to replace the word hospital with what word? You have to replace it with a word called as medical center. Yes. From which table? From the table. Clear? So now what is the first value telling you about? From which column you have to take? From where you have to take? Then what you have to replace and with what you have to replace. Yes. Clear? Done. Take down the next query. Find the hospitals where the hospital location contains. Find hospital where hospital location contains RD. RD means road, something you would have given, no? You're not given, na? That is the reason I said you take it lengthy. You people will not listen to me. Okay, I don't know according to your table what you have given. Okay, just take any two letters. Okay, either first two letters, mid two letters, or last two letters. Any two letters you take and replace it with rot. ROAT, rot, which you people are rotted minds. Okay, clear? How will you write the query for this one? So you will write select, and I have to use the function called as replace. Then what should I do? What I have to replace? I have to replace hospital name or hospital location? Hospital location. So I will write hospital location. Then wherever the letter RD is there, wherever the letter RD is there, I have to replace it with the word called as rot. From which table? From which table? From the table. Clear? Clear? Guys, this is according to the database which I have taken. What location you have given, I don't know. Okay. Take any two letters and you take any two letters whichever you want and you replace it. Okay. Don't take for, see, if you have the word like road, don't take R here and D here. Take the next two letters or these two letters. Or don't take O and R, O and D. Don't take like that. Don't act like stupid. Just take the first two letters or last two letters or any middle letters. ಒಂದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. Okay, done. Take down the next question. Write a query. Write a query to replace. Write a query to replace. To replace V with WE. V. Guess the word what I will say now. With the word in we stand for you. ಯಾರೋ ಅದು ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಅದಿದು. Yeah, clear. Write a query to replace wherever you have the word we, you have to replace it with WE. In which word? In the word we stand for you. Okay, done. How will you write the query for that? Select, replace, we stand for you, comma, we, comma, W. Yes, yes, write the query. Write the query. ಚಂದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಬರ್ಕೋತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಏಕೆ? ಅದ ಒಂದ್ ಕೈ ಕೊಡು. ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ತು ದೂಸರಾ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? अब्दुल उसमें वर्क बेंच है. वर्क बेंच है, देख ले. वो सर्च में जाके टाइप कर वर्क बेंच है. वर्क बेंच, हाँ वर्क बेंच में जाके सॉल्व कर लो. Guys, solve this query. ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಳ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಯಾವ लैपटॉप में सॉल्व कर माँ. Online students, are you people getting? Online students. Yes. ವಿವೇಕ್, ನಿನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಜನರಲ್ ತರ್ತೀಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ತರ್ತೀಯ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್? ಅದೇ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಪಾಪ. ಹೇಳಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ತರ್ತೀಯ? ಬರು ಆಗ್ತದಾ? Then you have created a table. Booking ID into passenger name varchar, passenger email varchar, ticket number varchar, booking date. Give an example, na? Like that only you give. What happened? What you will take? Varchar. Type for ticket number, what you took, data type, varchar. Size, what you gave? 8. ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಇಷ್ಟ previous line you would have made mistakes. ಏನಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್? ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಸುಪ್ರಿಯಾ, where is your laptop? So only today girl is not lifting her head only. Did? Huh? So only I said no, you're not lifting your head today. Why? Because no charge. ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ? ಲಾಲಿಮಾ, you getting? ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಬಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಸತ್ತಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಏನಕ್ಕದು? ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋದು? Put in command prompts only. Use SQL command line client. Why you people will do in command prompt? See, similar to command prompt, you have something called as command line client. There you do, you will get it. Why workbench? Why Microsoft that and this? ನಿಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ? ಎಲ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ. Don't do it. If you do it in command prompt, yes, you will not get. But if you do it in SQL command line client, you will get it. Solve ಮಾಡು. Solve ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Done doing. ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ लालिमा डन ना फुल ऑल ओवर वर्क बेंच यूज कर रही है वर्क बेंच what you have not downloaded you don't have command line client दे दे give नहीं दे करके देती हूँ दे दे give I'll do it and give प्रतिभा next time ಅಲ್ಲ do it now only no no ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ got तुम इतने आलसी हो गए हो कि तुझे करना नहीं है मैम की बात नहीं सुनना है बस वो सिर्फ बहाना है यार मैं उस दिन से चीख चीख के बोल रही हूँ कि कमांड लाइन क्लाइंट यूज करो हाँ मैम तो सिर्फ जोक मारने के लिए है ना कनाया डन ना ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗೋದು
ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್
because it's a function name ಅಲ್ಲ so obviously it will be display ಚಂದು ಆಯ್ತಾ ರವಿ ಡನ್ ಸುಹಾಸ್ I said don't use workbench ಎರರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾತ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕು ಹಾ ಹಾ ಏನ್ ನೇಮು ಹಾ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ you can read I didn't understand what you ಹಾ 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 ಅವಾಗ ನೀನ್ ಆ ನೇಮ್ ಬದಲು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ವಿಚ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಕೊಡು ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಬಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ತಾನೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಂತ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಮೀ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕು ಪಾತ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೇಮ್ you didn't come for that class so you don't know command prompt go command prompt yay I'll search give you ಪಾತ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾತ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕತೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡು. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ MySQL ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮತ್ ಪಾತ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ್ಯಾ? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ವರ್ಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಗೇವ್ ದೇರ್ RD ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ BI with some word PC. Like that you have to do, not the entire word. पेन चूज कर रहा है तो आ रहा है, सॉल्व करके दिया. Create the show databases now. Show databases. What's it? Okay. Now what you do? Hit command prompt kano. Now close all these. Why I'll be using command prompt to check whether the SQL version path has been added properly or not. Now go to command line saying password. Okay. Right. Now I will just say create. Sorry. Even first let me see what and all are the database there. Show databases. What you have to put now. What data type you have given? Very, very. Tell the query. They just query. It's over, you can take.
Or attended walk Saturday. Those people can many. I mean, whoever attended, they can leave. People who didn't attend, they have. And today, unfortunately, our Java driver was sick. They so do one thing. The people who were attended, they can take a break for 15 minutes. Okay, come back. Okay, and who didn't attend, please sit, give us space and keep your laptops. Write it on the board. Let them attend the test. Fast. People who attended, they can leave. 15 minutes. Come fast. Good morning, online students. Who is Dushant? Dushant, how many aptitude tests you attended so far? Only one. This is the first one. Have you gone through that recordings, classes, everything, aptitude? You are V2 batch, right? Okay. Jagdish, Pratibha, can I tell you a score? Hmm? Anita, you scored 6 out of 20. Lalima, you scored 20 out of 20. Hemavati, 10 out of 20. Pratiksha, 12 out of 20. Chandrasekhar, 10 out of 20. Venkata, Usuvandala Venkata, okay, 8 out of 20. Pratibha, 10 out of 20. Jagdish, 15 out of 20. Monica, 20 out of 20. Dushyant, 6 out of 20. Okay. First, let me clarify a few things for you. What about others? 15-20 minutes break. It's already 25 minutes. Okay. Can you tell me what was the interview rounds? Once again, what will be the first round? Aptitude or second round? Third round? Fourth round? So 99%, 100% majorly will be going through this rounds. Okay. So you can't skip any of these rounds. Sometimes what happens, you might be not having screening, you will be directly going for aptitude. Sometimes you will be not having aptitude, directly they'll be doing the screening. And screening will happen in two modes. One is based on your CVs. CVs anyway, we already corrected many of the people. For FPL, I have to take, but apart from FPL, I guess for everyone, I already told the CV formats and you already prepared it. Okay. Apart from the CV screening, we'll be getting some calls. Sometimes some HRs, they'll do the screening by giving a call and they'll check your communication. Based on the communication also, they'll be doing the screening. And when it comes to the second round GD, again, they're going to check your communication. For example, if any company is taking screening on over the call to check your communication, those companies will not be having GD. But sometimes chances even they will keep screening in call as well as GD also. Okay. And third round is going to be technical. Sometimes even they are going to take manager technical round as well. Okay. So one round is going to taken by TL and one more round is going to taken care of by manager also. Okay. And final round is going to be HR. Okay. So the reason I was calling you to come and attend this test, first of all, one thing you understood, FPL and other people who is here, even though you attended the class, even though you couldn't able to attend the class, it's we gave access for you to go through your YouTube videos. Okay. All the classes recordings which is present in YouTube. Even the aptitude is present in YouTube. Okay. All the sessions are there. I want you to everyone to go through that lectures once again. If you're getting doubts, come back and check with the trainers. I don't think so. Nobody is doing it. I'm telling from past many days. Go through the recordings. If you're getting the doubts, come and sit with the trainer and clarify the things. But nobody is following this. I don't know what was the reason. And you don't know what was the demos which we are keeping right now. It is like purely on this basis. You will be attending all the rounds over here. Whenever you're coming for the demo, you'll be attending all the rounds. Whoever is getting failed on aptitude, they will be not selected to the GD. But next week they will correct it. I have to clear aptitude, and they'll come with that confidence and they'll clear the aptitude. And some people who are attended the GD, some people will not clear the GD, they'll come to the technical. Some other people will clear the GD and they'll come to the technical. But whenever you do the mistake on GD, next time again you will correct and come back. You will improve your communication skills and come back. So when you are doing this multiple series, what happens? You will lose the fear by attending all the rounds of interview here itself. You lose that fear, and when you're going for the actual interview, it becomes so easy for you. That's the reason we are calling, right? Or else we don't have anything on the Saturday, we can give a holiday for you and we can take rest. No, why we want to connect all those things? To be frank, seriously, I am fed up of telling so many times, because I am telling you like a kids, do this, do this, do this. How many people attended so far? How many interviews you attended? Can you raise? How many people attended at least one interview? Faster. How many people? You didn't attend single interview, Monica? Okay. How many people attended more than two? No. Then why are you not raising the hand? See, there are people who attended more than 10, 15 interviews also. Still, you people are not getting selected. And you have everyone have so much of confidence that you can able to crack all the interviews, and you're not attending this demo session or this mock interviews, right? So this should not repeat again. Okay, this is the last warning. When next time, if you are not attending those things again, you're strictly banned from the placements. You can't come and ask, sir, I didn't attend, but can you give me the permission for the placement? No. See, some people genuinely they have taken a permission from me. That is fine. To take a permission. End of the day, this is, see, at other place, no one will show this much of concern on you. They will think like whether you are coming or not coming, not a problem for them. But here we are showing the concern because we want everybody to get place here. The strength here is very, very less comparing to other places. I want everybody to get place as soon as possible. There are people, students who got placed within 1 month, within 1 week also, without listening to the classes, much classes also. They practiced and they showed something in the interview, they cleared it. And of course, majority of the interviews, they'll see your confidence levels. They'll not dig everything that this guy knows complete full stack or not. When it comes to the front end part, go and attend, crack the interview. You attended all the front end classes. What was the problem for you to go and show it over there? So this should not repeat again and again. I'm telling you, this is the last warning. Okay. So make sure you'll be attending, but rare cases I'll understand. Emergency will be there. That moment you have to take a permission. Without permission, you can't escape that those mock interviews. Okay. And even FPL people also. Tomorrow, there is going to be a GD round over here. Okay. I don't know which topic you're going to pick up. It's left to you. I'm not giving the topic now. I'm giving the earlier only. I'm giving you information for you. This is the whichever the topic you want, you pick up. Okay. But I want at least 5 minutes that you have to talk confidently. 5 minutes. Apart from your introduction. Your introduction has to be minimum 2 minutes. Then you have to talk about 5 minutes about the topic. Whether you will mug up, whether you will practice, I'll not see anything, but I'll see correctly your sentence formation, how confident you are, how you are talking, all those things I'll check. Okay. So tomorrow after your SQL class, we'll be having this GD. Everyone, one by one, you have to come here and talk at least for 5 minutes. 5 minutes in this, in total 7 minutes. Okay. How about others? Nagul, where are others? Huh? Going. Okay. So tomorrow you'll be having this GD round. And one more thing, forgot to tell, when you people want holiday for Dasra, because I don't want this trend, because some people already gone for festival. When you people want holiday for Dasra? Huh? No, when I ask, you will not open your mouth. Okay. But whenever you feel, you will take a holiday for 3 days, 4 days, and you will escape from here. But when I ask genuinely when you want holiday, you should tell me, sir, this is the time, so that I can plan it out. Uday, can you able to hear me now? After Java, after 3 months. Huh? It's already many classes you have missed here, because festival season, again, I can't say no, but the thing is, you have to attend the classes also. You're not understanding the seriousness. So soon, another 3-4 months, even 25 batch people also will come out. Once they get into the project, many colleges people, they'll not sit in the college only for project. They'll start coming doing the courses. Along with you, even they will be giving a huge competition for you. You're not understanding. You're juniors, to be frank. Okay. So complete as soon as possible and try to get the job. Okay. So tell me when you want the holidays. Based on that, I will plan. Arey yaar, whatever is there, you tell me how many people want holiday at least. It's okay. How many people want holidays? No holidays? Huh? I told to raise the hands, not to talk. Raise your hands. Suhas, you stay in Bangalore only, you want holiday. Huh? You can't come and attend 2 hours of class every day. Dasara. Okay. So tell me when you want holidays. Huh? Faster. I don't want to waste your time. Fast. When is the actual festival? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday is fine. No. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That means you're asking this entire week. Today is Monday. Fine. This is a long weekend. Even many people already left, and they already, without permission also, they started moving from here, and they're not attending the classes also. I don't want anybody to miss the classes. Okay. At the same time, when there is a genuine reason and when there is a genuine festival, I have to give the holidays for you people. But that doesn't mean that you will take your whatever the things that you want, you will decide it, right? The thing is, the strength is less here. When you go for the other places, 400, 500 people will be there. So there, some 100 people left also, they won't care about it. They will be continuing with the classes. Here, the strength is less. We have to think about others also. But many people still, they don't have seriousness. I have taken multiple times, I have informed you, because this is the one of the important, this is the peak time for you to complete as soon as possible and to get the job. Still, many people have not as seriousness. No problem. So tomorrow, if you complete the GD round properly, I'm going to declare a holiday from Wednesday. Okay. But tomorrow, everyone have to attend the GD round and you have to perform also. Just attendance is not mandatory. You have to perform as well. Okay. So if more than 50% of the strength is performing good, you will only understand who is talking nicely. Whose communication is good, whose communication is not good. Okay. So based on that, I will take a decision and I'll tell tomorrow itself. Okay. So meanwhile, don't plan anything. Don't book your tickets. If anybody is going, so tomorrow I'll give good performance. So tomorrow night itself I'll escape. No. Okay. First attend the class, then I'll tell, then you plan your travel. Okay. Fine. So pick your own topic and come back tomorrow. And I request once again everybody to go through the recordings, all the recordings, whichever is there. Even complete core Java recordings which is present in YouTube. Complete core Java, complete front end, complete SQL, everything is present. Complete full stack is present in YouTube. Apart from advanced Java. I want everybody to go on each and everything wherever you're lagging. For example, this topic you didn't understood. Check back. I already mentioned the topic also.
And there is a playlist. I mentioned some playlist called front end. So if you go through that, every day session is there. And what was the session? What was the topic that day happened? Everything I mentioned over there. For example, you feel that I'm lagging over here, go back to that, check it out properly, understand. If you couldn't able to understand, then come back to the trainer and ask the doubts. They will clarify the things, no? Huh? Okay. And practice properly and come tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Fine. Attendance has taken. Mark your attendance. Online students, I'll be taking a separate session for you on this. So tomorrow you can practice. So tomorrow maybe afternoon I'll be taking a GD round for you in online. I'll keep you posted and I'll send you the link for you. Thank you.